Hey guys, Swisher Family Farm here. How you doing? We've been working on planting some potatoes over here. Now, this is our first time doing a what they call back to Eden type sowing of our potatoes. So we got our potatoes going in over here. We got the area all tilled up as you'll see in the video. We also have some topsoil that we had found that was on clearance from Walmart. We grabbed a bunch of it. I mean, clearance items you can't beat. I mean, we're getting we actually got $500 and some in soil for $50 some, $54 I think we spent for $500 worth of soil. So we've been using it here and there around the homestead. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be getting on that today. Let's see how it comes out. Alright guys, so we're here. We got our stuff planted. We got our potato rows done. The far two are for our sweet potato slips. The three up front right here, as you see, those are for our potatoes. Like I said, we've never done this before, so this is all a trial for us. So far, it's worked out pretty good. We also have another video coming up that's we're going to be planting some corn. That's a back to Eden style too. We're going to till up some ground and get planting some corn here in the next couple of days. But I just wanted you guys to take a look and see what it's like, and we'll get back to you and do an update on this probably about 2 months and show you if we've succeeded or if we failed. Well, at that point, don't forget, guys, hit that subscribe button, that like button, and tell your friends about us. And I'm out of here. I got more work to do.